Here we are to launch my second book. It's called Humani Therapy, Healing with Art and Affirmations. So when I made my first book, Humani Therapy Volume 1, my purpose was just to reintroduce art into the lives of grown-ups. With today's chaotic lifestyle that we all have, we really need to take care of our mental health. My book helps you relax, de-stress, let go of all your worries at the end of the day by just picking up your favorite page from the book, using your favorite colors and letting your creativity flow. I'm so excited about my second volume of Humani Therapy. This book is all about art and affirmations, and I hope you enjoy this book just as much as I enjoyed making it. My only purpose is to make your mental health better in whatever little way I can. The year 2020 made all of us realize how important it is for us to take care of our mental health. Affirmations is a very popular therapy and a practice that helps humans alter their thought processes, like shifting them from negative thinking to positive thinking. There are so many books available out there that tell you what to do, but they do not tell you how to do it. So Humani Therapy Volume 2 is just about telling you how you can really start practicing affirmations. The affirmations are very simple. You can pick the one that resonates with you. I've also added practicing sheets on which you can repeatedly practice your affirmation as many times as you like until it settles in your brain. I hope you love the book as much as I love it already.
Hi, I think this is a really good book for teenagers, a real good stress buster for them.
During this COVID period where all of the world was sitting at home, I've been doing the first version of this at home, and I must say it is really stress busting.
I've tried using the volume 1 and it was such a fun activity, and now as an expecting mother, it is a very good stress buster.
A lot of effort has been put in so that you will be stress free. This is a wonderful book for all the mommies who want to spend their weekends, just sit back, relax, have a cup of coffee and spend like hours with this book while coloring it. I think she's very beautifully amalgamated two beautiful concepts that we all need, that is art and mental health, and I know this will help so many people and this is extremely therapeutic. So go ahead and buy a copy. Please go get your copy.
Please grab it.
Go fetch this book, go grab it on Amazon.